Hi guys, meet again with me Dian Eka Handayani. Okay, on the opportunity today I will bring a detailed material about today delivering your speech. Check it out.
Hi guys, meet again with me Dian Eka Handayani. Okay, on the opportunity today I will bring a detailed material about delivering your speech. Check it out. Okay, the first material about setting up. After fulfilling all your presentation that you need to set them up before you delivering your speech. Just 2014. Having said everything is good no working order will make your more confidence as you're delivering your speech. This following step might help you setting up before you delivering time. Tips number 1. 1. Make sure you set the stage according to your needs. Move chairs out the way, lower the contrast if the sun sunshine brings attention. Arrange your notes to be effectively accessible. Smile, use paper and bit only of the corners. 3. Prepare your audience visual equipment beforehand. Make sure the project is working. Use a pointer to move your slide extensions. And then number 4, don't to be rushed and enjoy your time. Okay, discussion 2. Body language. Body language consists of eyes contact, facial expression, gesture, body posture, and movement. Eye context can be considered as the most important of these elements. To delivering an effective speech, it is important to maintain contact with the audience. Look at the listeners directly from all part of the audience, including those in the back, left and right. Worrying. Be alright. Uh, be aware of the difference you are look at. Avoid looking down the group over the heads of the audience or out the window. The main purpose of speech is to reach the audience. This making eye contact with audience is important in order to achieve these goals. Facial expression. The use of appropriate facial expression in delivering speech is to contact the speaker with the audience and reinforce the context of speech. It can be done for example, smiling in the beginning of speech to showing friendly intention, showing with an eyes and raised eyes brown with signaling some important information, or using other responsive expression to accompany accounts of excited, anxiety, and or on up and slightness. Using visual expression in delivering speech will make the speech more alive, stay natural and authentic. Gesture. Similar to visual expression, the use gesture is to establish contact with the audience and provide visual support of messengers. Gesture give be a contribution in delivering speech, yet it has a lot of contrast. The prophet, the proper owner, and then body posture and movement. A powerful speaker has capability to show confidence through body posture and movement. Even though speaker might be sitting while delivering speech such as during business meeting. Standing while delivering speech will be more effective. 3. Discussion about vocal behavior. Vocal behavior means the way is using pitch, rate, and volume when speaking. A good speaker is supported to vary the vocal behavior throughout a speech to emphasize the messages and to keep the audience interested. 1. Pitch. Everybody uses at a pitch range a mixture of low and high pitches when speaking. There are some variations in a pitch is used as a tool from starting word and editing emotional to sentence. When a speech is delivering a flat and monotone style, or when the pitch rate is too low, the listener will be very bored and even uninterested anymore. Therefore, when delivering a speech, it is important to vary the pitch level properly. Rate. The rate of speech refers to the use of speed and pausing, similar to the extension of the use of pitch. Try to vary the rate of your speech. In the beginning of speech, speak in more slowly. Why? To give listeners an opportunity to get used to speaker voice. Also, slowing down the rate is requested when discussing some important point. In the opposite side, a faster rate of speech can be used when delivering exciting story, expression, and adventures. Fluence. Fluence contrasts more and how appropriate to using you do in the reference of throat groups. What under the some throat groups should be linked closely together and not spirit by hesitation on or unscanswery repletion on syllabus. Here, make sure your reasons use fluency safely to be able to finish each group of word and sentence without interested example. Say the following through twins then firstly don't be too fast. Stop only at the end of the sentence group of ideal. End sentence. Tips. How to the pens to fastly pronounce the words careful in the case of with some new uncertain word when you read your text. Mark them. Check your dictionary and learning how the words should be are pronounced. You can also use digital dictionary that provides spelling feature. Articulates the words clearly. Articulation in is similar difference with pronunciation. Pronunciation refers to the start, sound, and of a word in a language, while articulation refers to the attention given to the word in order to continue clearly describe vocalized to the second. In this case, spatial problem may result poor articulation or sleepiness increases of articulants in the most common uses. 3. Discussion. Volume. Volume refers to the loudness or softness of your voice when you are speaking. Speaking in very high volume is possible for a speaker, however, it is considered usual attention to do his speech without contrary intention. This is possible. 3. To partition your speech in a room where you will deliver it, or at last fit a similar room to participants. Make you sure that everybody in the audience, stage and hear you without any obstacle. For discussion, overcoming communication. Extensively speak in front of many people welcome your chance. Many people are nervous about speaking in public. They list that public speaking as their greatest fear. Therefore, having action used while doing this is so natural. Having strike freak is normal, even our experienced speaker. In face a little nervous, my actuality help you get focused, be attentive to the audience, and deliver a more effective and convincing speech. For the explanation above about public speaking, there are ways to improve our speech spin. Nikitina 2011. Given the three why to improve our speech speed, they are: number one, steady or breathing, getting or breathing under control is one the simple way to slow down and erasure on blends during our presentation. Number two, focus on the articulation. We unwillingly slow down, stop slurring, leading apa ini? Syllables when we speak to focus on the articulation. Number three, imitate about particulars in the speech. We should include and make the use of particulation itself and clear to audience when one phrase and the other one starts. Okay guys, so explanation of the material for today. See you again next time. Bye.